Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are continuing our studies of the areas of health-related fitness, and this week we're focusing on flexibility. So with flexibility, it's important in particular as you get older to be intentional about incorporating a stretching routine into your activity or daily habits, just to make sure that you maintain a good range of motion through all joints. If you notice as you just observe people as they age, in particular elderly folks, they tend to lose range of motion, stride lengths become shorter, posture may become impacted, and that's usually all a result of decreased flexibility. So with this chapter, it's just business as usual. You've got your checklist, this video, the PowerPoint, the quiz, and the physical activity monitoring report. Notice I didn't put a lab in for this week. The lab in the My Labs Plus requires some equipment that you may not have, one of those sit and reach boxes that you may remember from middle school and high school PE, and most of us don't have those at home. So you're not required to complete this lab, but if you choose to, that's fine. It is a Chapter 5 flexibility fitness test where you have the sit and reach test, and then also a shoulder test where it's measuring your range of motion through your shoulder. Just basically, are you able to connect your hands behind your back over your shoulder on each side. Anyways, like I said, that's optional. Guys, have a great week. As always, I'm here if you need me.